Now -3 comma 3 0 comma 0 3 comma -3 vertices forming collinear points are not verifying. So here we have to use the area of the triangles principle by using forming these points. So the area of the triangle is equal to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So here -3 comma 3 are x1 y1 coordinates, 0 comma 0 are x2 y2 coordinates and 3 comma -3 as x3 y3 coordinates. Then the area of the triangle delta is equal to half mod x1 minus 3 into y2 minus y3, 0 minus half minus 3 plus x2 0 into y3 minus y1 minus 3 plus 3 plus x3 3 into y1 minus y2 3 minus 0 that equal to half mod minus 3 into minus half minus 3 that is plus 3 0 plus 3 plus minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. So 0 into 0 plus 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. So 3 into 3 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. So half mod minus 3 into 3 plus 0 into 0 is 0, 3 3 is 9. So half mod minus 3 into plus 3 is equal to minus 9, 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. So 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So half mod 0, that is nothing but 0. So area of the triangle formed by the points -3 comma 3 0 comma 0 and 3 comma -3 is 0. That means the points form collinear. And the next one is given the vertices as 3 comma -2 -2 comma -8 0 comma 4 are collinear or not. So here 3 comma -2 are x1 y1 coordinates, -2 comma 8 are x2 y2 coordinates and 0 comma 4 are x3 y3 coordinates. Now these coordinates are substituting in the area of the triangle delta equal to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. In that principle, if we substitute, we get the area of the triangle is 0, then they form collinear, otherwise not. So that equal to half mod x1 3 into y2 minus y3 8 minus 4 plus x2 minus 2 into y3 minus y1 4 minus half minus 2 plus x3 0 into y1 minus y2 minus 2 plus 8 that equal to half mod 8 minus 4 equal to 4. So 3 into 4 plus minus half minus 2 is equal to plus 2. So minus 2 into 4 plus 2 plus 8 minus 2 that is 6. So 0 into 6. So 3 4s 12. So half mod 12 plus minus 2 into 4 2 ja 6 plus 0 into 6 is equal to 0. So half mod 12 minus 2 into 6 is equal to minus 12 plus 0 is adding with any number, that one only coming. So 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. So half mod into 0. So mod 0 is nothing but 0 only. So half into 0 is equal to 0. So that is the area of the triangle with the vertices 3 minus 2 minus 2 8 0 comma 4 is 0 square units. So the given points are form collinear. Akhila says points A of 1 comma 3, B of 2 comma 2, C of 5 comma 1 are collinear. Do you agree with Akhila? Why? So here Akhila said these points form collinear. So this one we agree or not agree asked. So we don't know by observing this one. We have to find the area of the triangle. So if the area of the triangle is 0, then the given points are collinear, otherwise not. So here finding the area of the triangle by using the principle delta equal to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. By using that principle we finding. So here we taking a of 1 comma 3 points as x1 y1 coordinates and b of 2 comma 2 points as x2 y2 coordinates and c of 5 comma 1 points as x3 y3 coordinates. Then the area of the triangle delta is equal to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3. So 1 into 2 minus 1 plus x2 into y3 minus y1. So 2 into 1 minus 3 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So 5 into 3 minus 2. That equal to half mod 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So 1 into 1 plus 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. So 2 into minus 2 plus 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So plus 5 into 1. So 1 1 ja is 1. So half into mod 1, 2 into minus 2 is equal to minus 4, 5 1 ja 5. So half mod 1 minus 4 plus 5. 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3, minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 2. So half into mod 2, that equal to half into mod 2 value is 2. So 1 by 2 into 2 is nothing but 1. So the area of the triangle by using the points 1 comma 3, 2 comma 2, 5 comma 1 are 1 square units. That means here we not get the area of the triangle as 0. So here the given points are not collinear. So here Akhila said they are collinear. We are agree with Akhila or not asked. So Akhila said wrong. Find the value of k for which the points are collinear. So if the given points are collinear, then we have to find the k value. Here the points are given as 7 minus 2, 5 1, 3 comma k. So here 7 minus 2 will be taking as x1 y1 coordinates and 5 comma 1 as x2 y2 coordinates and 3 comma k are x3 y3 coordinates. And here given the points are collinear only directly given. That means the area of the triangle is equal to 0. So here we have to find the area of the triangle. So the area of the triangle's principle is if the coordinates x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3 are given, that is half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. In that principle now we substitute these points. Now the area of the triangle is equal to 0. Now that is equal to half mod x1 7 into y2 minus y3 1 minus k plus x2 into y3 minus y1. So 5 into k minus half minus 2 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 3 into minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now division to transfers to RHS, that is multiplication, that is 0 into 2. So 7 into 1 minus k. So 7 ones 7. 7 into minus k is minus 7k. Plus minus of minus 2 is plus 2. 5 into k plus 2. Plus minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. 3 into minus 3 is equal to 0 into 2. 0 into 2 is nothing but 0. Okay. Now 3 into minus 3 is equal to minus 9. 5 into k plus 2. That means 5 into k is 5k. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So now it can be written as 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 10 minus 9 is equal to 0. Now minus 7k plus 5k is minus 2k. 7 plus 10 equal to 17. 17 minus 9 equal to 8. So minus 2k plus 8 is equal to 0. Now here minus 2k can be written as minus 2 into k and 8 can be written as 2 into k, 2 into 4. So in this both minus 2 will be taking as common, that is minus k plus 4 is equal to 0. Now this mod value is positive or negative, we are taking positive only. So 2 into minus k plus 4 is equal to 0. So that 2 is multiplying with minus k plus 4. So transfers to RHS, that is division. 0 by 2 is nothing but 0 only. So minus k plus 4 is equal to 0 by 2 is equal to 0. So minus k plus 4 equal to 0. Now this minus k transferring to RHS, that is plus k. So 4 is equal to 0 plus k equal to k. So the k value is 4 if these points formed collinear. Okay. Now here the given another problem, 8 comma 1 k comma minus 4 and 2 comma minus 5 are the vertices of the triangle formed with collinear, then find the k value. So here 8 comma 1 will be taking as x1 y1 coordinates and k comma 4 are minus 4 are x2 y2 coordinates and 2 comma minus 5 are x3 y3 coordinates. Then the area of the triangle is formed by these points will be equal to 0. Then only they are collinear points. So the area of the triangle delta is equal to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So in the principle if we substitute, then half mod x1 into y2 minus y3. So 8 into minus 4 minus half minus 5 plus x2 k into y3 minus y1 minus 5 minus 1 plus x3 2 into y1 minus y2 1 minus half minus 4 equal to 0. Now that denominator to transfers to that side, that is multiplication. 0 into 2 is equal to 0. So 8 into minus half minus 5, that is plus 5. So 8 into minus 4 plus 5 plus k into minus 5 minus 1 is equal to minus 6 plus minus half minus 4 is equal to plus 4. So 2 into 1 plus 4 is equal to 0 into 2, that is 0 only. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So 8 into 1, k into minus 6 is minus 6k plus 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So 2 into 5, 8 ones are 8 minus 6k plus 4 2 5 10 equal to 0. So 10 plus 8 18 minus 6k plus 18 is equal to 0. Mod minus 6k plus 18 equal to 0. In that mod positive or negative, we taking positive only, already we said. That means minus 6k plus 18 is equal to 0. So now this plus 18 transfers to RHS, that is minus 18. 0 minus 18 is equal to minus 18. Minus 6k is equal to minus 18. Then k is equal to minus 18. This multiplication 6 transfers to RHS, that is division. So by minus 6. Minus 6 1 ja, minus 6 3 ja, 18. So the k value is 3. If these points are collinear, if 11 comma 2 minus 1 comma k minus 3 comma minus 4 are the vertices of the triangle are collinear, then find the value of k. So if the coordinates 11 comma 2 as x1 y1 and minus 1 comma k as x2 y2 and minus 3 comma minus 4 as x3 y3 coordinates we taking, then these points to formed by the triangle's area delta is equal to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So here that area is nothing but 0. So delta is equal to 0. Now here if we substitute these points in this principle, then half mod x1 11 into y2 minus y3 k into k minus half minus 4 plus x2 minus 1 into y3 minus y1 minus 4 minus 2 plus x3 minus 3 into y1 minus y2 2 minus k is equal to 0. So that 1 by 2 LHS1 transfers to RHS, that is multiplication, that is reciprocal to multiply. 0 into 2 by 1, that is nothing but 0. So minus half minus 4 is plus 4. So 11 into k plus 4 plus minus 4 minus 2 is equal to minus 6. So minus 1 into minus 6 plus minus 3 into 2 minus k. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Minus 3 into minus k is plus 3k is equal to 0 into 2, that is 0. Now 11 into k plus 4, that is 11k plus 44. Minus 1 into minus 6 is equal to plus 6 minus 6 plus 3k. So 11k plus 3k is equal to 14k. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 0 plus 44 is equal to plus 44 equal to 0. Now mod 14k plus 44 is equal to 0. Then 14k plus 44 is equal to 0. Then plus 44 transfers to that side, minus 44. 0 minus 44. 0 minus 44 is equal to minus 44. Then multiplication 14 transfers to that side, minus division 14. So minus 44 by 14. So 2 sevens to 11s, that is minus 11 by 7. It is the value of k if the given points are collinear. The vertices of the triangle are k comma k, 2 comma 3, 4 comma minus 1 are collinear. Then find the value of k. So here we used to the principle of the area of the triangle of mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So the area of the triangle is equal to 0. The points are collinear. That means of mod, here x1 y1 coordinates are k comma k, x2 y2 coordinates are 2 comma 3 and x3 y3 coordinates are 4 comma minus 1. That equal to of mod x1 k into y2 minus y3, 3 minus half minus 1 plus x2 2 into y3 minus y1 minus 1 minus k plus x3 4 into y1 minus y2 k minus 3 is equal to 0. Now division to transfers to that side RHS, that is the product. Multiplication do 0 into 2, that is nothing but 0 only. So k into minus half minus 1, that is plus 1, k into 3 plus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 minus k, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, minus 2 into k is minus 2k plus 4 into k minus 3, 4 into k is 4k, 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. So 4k minus 12 is equal to 0 into 2, that equal to 0. So k into 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So k into 4 is 4k minus 2 minus 2k plus 4k minus 12 is equal to 0. So 4k plus 4k is 8k, 8k minus 2k is 6k, minus 2 minus 12 is equal to minus 14 is equal to 0. So mod 6k minus 14 is equal to 0. Then in that mod positive or negative, we taking positive value only. So 6k minus 14 equal to 0. Now this minus 14 LHS one transfers to RHS, that is 0 plus 14, that equal to 14. Now 6 into k, now this multiplication 6 transfers to RHS, that is division. So k equal to 14 by 6, both will be going in 2 table. So 2 7s 14, 2 3s 6. So the k value is 7 by 3 if these points formed collinear. On a lunar eclipse, if the positions of sun, earth and moon are shown by minus 4 comma 6 k comma minus 2 and 5 comma minus 6 respectively, then find the value of k. So here lunar eclipse, at that time there the sun, earth and moon are on the same line, that means they are nothing but collinear points given, and the points represented by sun are minus 4 comma 6 with the earth are k minus 2 and with the moon are 5 minus 6 given. Now here we have to find the value of k. So here these points to forming triangles area is 0. Why? Because the given points are collinear. Then if we apply the area of the triangle with the coordinates x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 as of mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 equal to 0, then we get the value of k. So here minus 4 comma 6 are x1 y1 coordinates and k comma minus 2 are x2 y2 coordinates and x3 y3 are 5 comma minus 6 coordinates. So here on lunar eclipse, the positions of sun, earth and moon on a same line, so they are collinear points. So the area of the triangle is 0. Now in that principle, now we substitute it. So delta is equal to 0. So of mod x1 minus 4 into y2 minus y3 minus 2 minus half minus 6 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 k minus 6 minus 6 plus x3 5 into y1 minus y2 6 minus half minus 2 is equal to 0. Now that 1 by 2 LHS1 transfers to that side, by that reciprocal we have to multiply. So 0 into 2 by 1, 0 into 2 by 1 is nothing but 0. Now here minus half minus 6 is plus 6. So minus 4 into minus 2 plus 6 plus k into minus 6 minus 6, that is minus 12 plus 5 into 6 minus half minus 2 is plus 2. Now 6 plus 2, 6 minus 2 is equal to minus 4. So minus 4 into 4, k into minus 12 is minus 12k plus 6 plus 2 equal to 8. So 5 into 8. Minus 4 into 4 is equal to minus 16 minus 2k, 5 8s 40. So minus 16 minus 2k plus 40 equal to 0. So minus 2k plus 40 minus 16. 40 minus 16 is nothing but, so it is 12k minus 12k, that is 24 equal to 0. Minus 12k plus 24 is equal to 0. In that mod positive or negative, we taking positive value only. That means minus 12k plus 24 equal to 0. Now this plus 24 transfers to RHS, that is 0 minus 24, that equal to minus 24. So minus 12k equal to minus 24. Now this multiplication minus 12 transfers to RHS, that is division. So k equal to minus 24 by minus 12. Minus minus gets cancelled. 12 ones, 12 twos, 24. So the k value is 2. So if these points are form a lunar eclipse, then the k value is 2. The area of the triangle is 18 square units whose vertices are 3, 4, minus 3, minus 2 and p, minus 1. Then find the value of p. So area of the triangle is 18 square units given. So by using these 3 points 3, 4, minus 3, minus 2, p, minus 1 points to formed triangle's area we want to find. So we know that area of the triangle principle, if the coordinates are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3, then it is half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. In that principle we want to substitute this one. So the x1, y1 coordinates are 3, 4 and minus 3, minus 2 are x2, y2 coordinates and x3, y3 coordinates are p minus 1. Then the area of the triangle delta is equal to 18 square units given. So half mod x1, that is 3 into y2 minus y3. So 3 into minus 2 minus half minus 1 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 minus 3 into minus 1 minus 4 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So p into 4 minus half minus 2 is equal to 18. Now that 1 by 2 LHS1 transfers to RHS, with its reciprocal we have to multiply, that is 2 by 1. 18 into 2 by 1 is equal to 36. 18 2s 36. Now minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So mod 3 into minus 2 plus 1 plus minus 3 into minus 1 minus 4, that is minus 5. So minus 3 into minus 5 plus p into minus of minus 2 is plus 2. So p into 4 plus 2. Minus 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So 3 into minus 1 plus minus 3 into minus 5 is plus 15 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So p into 6. Now 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 15 plus 6 into p is 6p is equal to 36. Now 15 minus 3 is equal to 12 plus 6p is equal to 36. Now mod value there means we get positive or negative. In that mod we get positive value only. That means this 36 will be coming for minus 36 purpose, otherwise plus 36 purpose. That means we taking minus 12 plus 6p is equal to plus or minus 36. If we taking 12 plus 6p is equal to plus 36, otherwise 12p plus 6p is equal to minus 36. Now if 12 plus 6p equal to minus 36, then plus 12 transfers to RHS, that is minus 12. So minus 36 minus 12 is equal to minus 48. Now multiplication 6 transfers to that side, that is division. Minus 48 by 6. So 6 ones, 6 eights. So p value is minus 8. If here 12 plus 6p equal to 36 to plus 12 transferred to RHS, that is minus 12. So 36 minus 12 is equal to 24. Now multiplication 6 transfers to RHS, that is division. 24 by 6. 24 by 6 means 6 ones, 6 fours, 24. So p value is 4. Therefore we get p value as 4 or minus 8. Then by using the points 3 comma 4 minus 3 comma minus 2 and 4 minus 1 or minus 8 minus 1, then we get the area of the triangle is 18 square units.